Hey guys, Mike Slane, the discount property investor, here in the office again today. Going to jump into another BRRRR case study. Guys, BRRRR is a really cool thing, a way to acquire rental property for little to no money out of pocket. Very, very powerful acronym, stands for buy it, rehab it, rent it, refinance it, and then repeat. The BRRRR method, guys, very, very cool way to acquire assets. We've used it to acquire hundreds of properties. Here in the office, we've got a portfolio of about 150, so we're doing pretty good. Let's go ahead and jump right into the case study here. So this one was 2009 Wismer. This is one that we picked up. Really, really good price on this one. It's in a great area, one of my favorite little pockets to invest in up here in St. Louis, Overland, Missouri. Let's jump in. Here we go. So we purchased this one back in 2018, March 2018, for $38,000. We used a private lender to purchase the property. So again, we're not using our own money. We use a private lender, and we were estimating about 45 days to rehab it and about 45 days to complete the refinance. So we set up the loan for about 6 months. So again, that's about a 3-month period, but we set it up for 6 months to give us a little bit of extra time. We also planned on spending about $25,000 on this one, and we figured that after we were finished, conservatively, we would get an $85,000 appraisal or an $85,000 after repair value. We figure a 3-1, this was a little bit smaller, but it was a 2-bedroom when we bought it. So we were going to kind of add a 3rd bedroom. So we figured we'd get about $950 in rent, which again, relatively conservative for that area. So here, let's see our rehab plan here. So buy it, we bought it for $38,000. We figured we're going to spend $25,000. Here's our plan. We wanted to add a 3rd bedroom, and that sounds like, oh, why would you do that on a rental property? We're not adding on to the square footage of the house, guys. We're just adding a wall and a door and creating a bedroom out of some extra space. So this property, very unique, had not super unique, but pretty common to the area. Had a 3 seasons room that was added on behind the kitchen. So that could be used as the dining area because it had heating and cooling in it. And again, so we didn't need a dining room right next to the kitchen as well as this extra dining room. So we said we're going to take the existing dining room and we're going to convert that to a bedroom. Already had a pantry / closet, so it's very, very easy to do. Just put up a wall, put up a door, boom, you've got a bedroom. The rest of the updates are pretty well cosmetic. Like I said, there was a little water damage in the kitchen. They had a pipe burst or something, so some of the flooring wasn't in great shape. And the basement had a little bit of water down there as well, but pretty easy cleanup. I like properties like this because we're able to add value, guys. Very, very cool. We're able to add value. Okay, let's see here. Vinyl flooring and hardwood through the rest, the neutral paint colors, and just kind of clean up that basement for some even more bonus living space. Here you can see this is the bathroom on the left before we bought it, and this is the existing dining room. So this is what I'm talking about, where we're going to just add a wall and a door right here, and this walked through to the kitchen. So we just framed that out, slapped up some drywall, and this then became a bedroom. Pretty simple. So here, let's look at an after picture there. Okay, so here is the after of the bathroom, before, after. So this one was a full rehab. I'd say a little bit more than cosmetic on this one. We did remove the shower and replace the wall. So that's a pretty good size rehab. Don't know if we were planning on that back when we bought it. And then here is the family room after. So you can see this family room was carpet, pretty bad, pretty ugly, and boom. I mean, it just looks amazing. You pull the carpet, refinish the hardwoods that were there, and here is the door that we built to that dining room / bedroom. Pulled off the stickers on the windows and they look nice. Our kitchen, we did a full update, which was, again, we had to replace all the cabinets, and it's a full cosmetic rehab on that one. So you can see here's before. I mean, again, this is, I believe, where the pipe burst, so we had water in the kitchen and there was carpet. So I mean, come on. I mean, that's obviously going to be repaired. Our basement, we also had a semi-finished space. And because of the water up here, we had some roof panels up here that had some water exposure as well. So we wanted to go ahead and replace those. So that's what we did. And here you can see some afters. In this basement, we use our neutral colors, paint everything, pulled down all those ceiling tiles, painted it black, And again, just looks open, nice, great living space. So here's that kitchen. It is a galley style kitchen, so it's not a great kitchen, but it's very, very functional. It's perfect for a little rental. All right, so how did we do on this BRRRR, guys? Here's the results. We ended up spending $28,000, so we were a little bit above our budget, and we were into this property now for $66,483. That's all right. Even at our $85,000 appraisal, we still would have got most of our money back. What we were able to do, though, we were able to get a $100,000 appraisal, so we captured $33,000 in equity. We're able to pull all of our money out of this property, so we're buying this asset with nothing left. We're able to rent it for $1,200 a month. This is huge, huge cash flow. So $454 per month after all of our expenses. Very, very big cash flow on this one. This is one of our great deals, which I'm very, very proud to say that we did a good job on this one. Here is the summary here. So we've got an equity capture on this deal alone of $33,000 and monthly cash flow of $454, and we have none of our own money tied up in this property. There's nothing left in it. So this is a property we now own or control it. That we have a bank loan. So again, how you define that? Maybe the bank owns it, but we have a note on this property. We control this asset and we're cash flowing on it. BRRRR is an awesome, awesome way to do that. If you're interested in learning more, I implore you, please check out our freelandlordcourse.com, www.freelandlordcourse.com. We'll put some links below, or you can go on Amazon or Audible and check out our book, The BRRRR Method. It goes into detail on how we've been doing this in the past. Thanks for watching, guys.